Let the women go.
Light the pyre.
Do it, and he's dead.
My soul will live with God.
Screw it.
We need to get close to that band, which shouldn't be a problem because everybody left on this ship is a punk. Not your finest work, bud. Swamp Thang. Never heard of it. And what's with all the A's?
What about you? You got any special skills?
Martial arts.
Sorry, it's just so fresh. Like Jackie Chan.
I prefer knives and swords.
You think you're so tough?
I don't think it. I know it.
Where'd it go?
Have you ever held a gun before?
Once or twice.
Dog!
I'm gonna kill you, Goldilocks!
You're late.
Suck mine!
Out of the way, suckers!
Make way for SOS.
No more tea and crumpets for this dodgy doppelganger. Hard drive here knew you weren't really a Maya all along. Oh, I can take you alone. Damn it! Get back here!
We'll win our victory!
Not really.
Sarah? Sarah?
While you are on my ship, you're never leaving. That's how we stay alive.
Attention. The store will be closing in 5 minutes. In 2 minutes.
Where is she? Is this an audiobook?
They say your life flashes before your eyes when you die. But what if in that moment, you finally see everything life's been trying to show you?
See, they took care of things on their own, and they were clearly about to hook up. On it. We gotta get that staff. here is done. Gideon, fire up the ship. It's time to hit it.